Hello, my geniuses. How are you doing? Are you okay? You sure? I am fine. Thank you for asking. Okay, my geniuses, guess what? We have a new topic. A new topic today. We will be looking at collective nouns. Collective nouns are names given to groups or collection of things that have or do not have life, right? So what I'm going to do for you, I am going to read you a list of them, right? So I'm just going to give you, and I hope that you remember them because I have an activity for you at the end. Are you ready? So just in case you didn't get that, I'm going to repeat it for you, right? Collective nouns are names given to groups or collection of things. All right. So collective nouns are names given to groups or collection of things that can be alive or not alive. An example could be a nest of rabbits. All right. A nest of rabbits. So listen to these now. An army of soldiers, a band of musicians, a brood of chickens, a choir for singers, or a choir of singers, a class of students, a crew of sailors, a drove of cattle, a flock of birds, or a flock of sheep, a gaggle of geese, a gang of thieves, a herd of cattle, or a herd of buffaloes, a litter of cubs, or a litter of pups, a pack of wolves, a pride of lions, a school of whales, a staff of teachers, or a staff of servants, a stud of horses, a troop of monkeys, a bale of cotton, a bale of rope, a bale of wool, a batch of bread, a bouquet of flowers, a bunch of grapes, or a bunch of guineas, a chest of drawers, a clump of trees, a cluster of stars, a fleet of motor cars, or a fleet of ships, a flight of airplanes, or a flight of steps, a forest of trees, a library of books, a pack of cards, a pack of dogs, a set of china, a set of tools, a sheaf of corn, a string of beads, a suit of clothes, a suite of furniture. So guys, I have given you some. Now there are many more. What I'm going to do, I am going to call, before I give you the activity that I have planned for you, I am going to call these words because these are the words that you will have to use to complete those collective nouns that I'll give you on the board. Are you ready? So remember these words: flock, gang, school, pace, tuft, pride, team, army, swarm, flight, cast, troop, herd, nest, bunch, bevy, litter, host, class, bouquet, gaggle, pack, staff, host. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're actually going to look at the activity on the board. All right? Okay, so let me repeat that for you. Collective nouns are names given to groups or collection of things that have or do not have life. So here is the activity that you will be doing for me. You are going to complete these with collective nouns, and I just call them for you. So you know you can pause the video, all right? A dash of birds, a dash of pups, a dash of bees, a dash of chickens, a dash of soldiers. Okay, and here it continues. A dash of flowers, a blank of students, a blank of grapes, a blank of thieves, a blank of ladies, a blank of horses, a blank of steps. All right, so you are going to use one of those words that I called before to complete these collective nouns. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that lesson. I did. I enjoyed teaching it to you. Now, please remember to like and comment. When you comment, that's the only way I can hear from you, and I love hearing from you. Remember, if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know once I upload videos. Guys, I hope that you've been looking in that mirror daily and telling yourself how beautiful you are, how handsome you are, how great you are, how courageous you are, how brilliant you are, how special you are. Be kind to yourself, but in so doing, be kind to others. And if you have nothing good to say about people, please say absolutely nothing at all. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.